How to fix mail app not loading emails on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can fix the problem if the mail app is actually not loading any new emails on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so this problem can be happen for several reasons. First thing first, check out this quick settings. Open up the settings app from your device and then tap on this Apple ID at the very top, and then just scroll down, tap on iCloud, and then scroll down again, tap on See All, and from here just need to tap on iCloud Mail and make sure to enable the iCloud Mail. Toggle on Use on this iPhone. You just need to toggle on this option and then get back to the main settings of your iPhone. And from here just need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down and find out the mail app. Once you get the mail app, go ahead and tap on mail and tap on mail accounts, and go ahead and select the account that you're having problem with. I'm going to tap on this account and make sure the mail is enabled with this specific account. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn the mail option off and then wait around 10 seconds and then enable it again. And then get back from here and then tap on paste new data and make sure the push is enabled from here. And also you just need to select your account from here and make sure it's selected with the fetch, and then get back from here and also make sure the fetch is selected with the automatic. And from this page, get back again, and from the mail section you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on default mail app, make sure it's selected with the mail. And then once you have selected this one, just get back from here, get back to your home screen, and then force to restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears, and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely a problem is going to be solved and you will be able to get new emails on the mail app. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then follow the next process. Open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on screen time, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and tap on allowed apps and features, and make sure the mail app is enabled from here. If it's already enabled, turn this option off and enable it again. Then get back from here and turn up the restriction, and then force close the settings from your device and see if that fixes your problem or not. Most likely one of these processes will fix this problem, but if in any case if you find that you're still having the same problem over and over again, then here is the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any bugs or glitches that you have with your iOS version. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset network settings, and then put your iPhone passcode, and then simply go and tap on the reset network settings, and this will reset your network related settings and it will get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.